from Graphic Extras. In this video I'm just going to show you how to create interesting glow designs using shape, or of course you could use any design. Okay, so I'm just going to, got a shape here. Now this one's from Graphic Extras, it's a connection design. Applying it as a shape, see all the various shapes there. I'm just going to go over here now to the Photoshop styles. I'm using 14.2, and one of the reasons I mentioned 14.2 is I'm just going to use a feature of 14.2 in a sec, and just going to apply this style. Just apply that, so you got that there, and I'm now just going to go over here to the background, and I'm just going to click on that, and that actually turns that into a layer straight away. That's the first feature of 14.2 that I just mentioned. So now just go over here, and I just want to make that as a layer as well. And okay, now I'm just going to go to a layer, flatten image, because I want it as just one entire background image. I'm going to apply a couple of filters. I'm just going to apply the filter oil paint, which gives it a sort of nice smearing effect, I should say. Cleanliness, set those, okay, and shine down to 0, so you get a nice sort of smeary effect. Apply again. Now, well, once I've actually done that, you've got this. You can actually finish at this point. It's a lovely, nice smeary sort of effect. But I'm just going to go over to the filter again and camera raw filter. Now this is a filter that contains a vast number of features, and it's one of the, I think, one of the best tucked away sort of tools. It's maybe not even obvious that you can use it since it says camera raw, and you think, well, maybe I can only just use it for raw. So you can actually use it for virtually everything. So I'm just going to, now I could use these are just for the whole picture, but I'm just going to go over here and I'm just going to select the radial and just going to apply just, you can lightly enough a brush. Actually there is a brush tool over there, but I'm just going to use it as a gradient, and you can modify the exposure, make it obviously slightly brighter, and you can change the colour just down here, and I'm just going to go for a maybe red. See it same, just subtly change to red there, and of course you can apply multiple times, so you can actually just apply it over the image, and it does do it eventually. Yep. And you can of course modify that slightly. You can just change that down, reduce it a bit. Also creates a nice blurring effect as well. Now you don't have to go with red all the time. You can of course go and change the colour. Just go for yellow. And you can change the size, of course. You can apply it over the entire image if you wish as well. Apply another one. And I'm going to go for green this time. Click OK. So once it's done that, and also you can do a linear as well, so you can actually just modify that. I'm just going to drag that out. And you can maybe make the exposure go, so it makes it darker in that area. Right, okay. Click OK, and there you have it. Got a weird sort of glow design using the camera raw and thing. So it's a really quite useful way of virtually like painting with light. It's a very useful tool. Hope you found this tutorial of interest.